Imagine hitting the road in something that turns heads at every corner, blending retro charm with futuristic freedom. The 2027 Retro RV Trike isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A bold, three-wheeled revolution that brings back the soul of vintage travel, wrapped in modern comfort. You're not just driving, you're time traveling. And the moment you hop on, you feel it. The chrome glistens in the sunlight, the curved retro shell screams classic Americana, and the hum of the electric motor whispers the future. Welcome to the coolest way to escape the grind. This is not your average camper, and it's definitely not for the average traveler. The 2027 Retro RV Trike is for dreamers, rebels, and adventurers. Its unique design features a throwback teardrop camper shell, complete with rounded windows, metallic trim, and even a vintage-inspired front grille that gives off serious 70s vibes. But here's the twist. Under all that classic charm is a fully electric motor with up to 120 miles of range on a single charge. And yes, solar panels are stealthily integrated into the roof so you can charge on the go, totally off-grid. Step inside, and it's like stepping into a cozy time capsule. Wood paneling, soft LED lighting, and clever use of space make the interior feel like a boutique tiny home. There's a convertible bed, a mini kitchen with induction cooktop, a fold-down table for working or eating, and even a hidden compost toilet tucked neatly in the back. Every inch is designed for comfort, freedom, and efficiency. And somehow, they've managed to fit all that into a lightweight trike camper that can park just about anywhere. But what really makes the Retro RV Trike special is the way it makes you feel. It's slow travel, reimagined. No more highways and stress. Just scenic backroads, fresh air, and total freedom. You can take it camping deep in the forest, roll up to a beach and watch the sunset from your rear hatch, or even use it as a minimalist home on wheels while touring the country. Wherever you go, people stop and stare. They ask questions. They smile. This isn't just travel, it's connection. With the road. With people. With yourself. The dashboard? A blend of analog dials and digital controls. The handlebars? Ergonomic and smooth. The ride? Quiet, stable, and surprisingly powerful for a three-wheeled electric vehicle. Whether you're cruising through a small town or climbing a gentle mountain pass, this trike holds its own. And because it's classified as a motorcycle in many places, you'll enjoy easier registration, lower insurance, and more freedom to roam. So if you've ever dreamed of hitting the road in style, ditching rent, and living a life of pure, simple freedom, the 2027 Retro RV Trike might just be your ride. It's part nostalgia, part innovation, and 100% unforgettable. The future of adventure travel has a vintage soul, and three wheels.